Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so the update won't fail. First, plug the iPhone into power or verify battery is at least 50%. This prevents mid-install shutdowns. Next, make sure you're on a reliable Wi-Fi network and that you have more than about 5 GB of free storage because downloads and temporary files need space. Once done, back up to iCloud or your computer and confirm your Apple ID. These steps let you recover settings if anything goes wrong. You now handle the core execution. Go to Settings, tap General, then Software Update to find the new release. That's where iOS verifies compatibility. Tap Download and watch progress. Larger updates take longer over slower Wi-Fi. Once the download finishes, choose Install. The phone will prepare the update and automatically restart to apply it. Make sure the device stays on power and connected. This prevents a failed installation and ensures system files are written correctly. You complete the process by walking through post-install prompts and signing back into services when asked. This reactivates features and privacy settings. Then, open the App Store to update apps so they match the new system. If the phone gets stuck on the Apple logo or update fails, try a force restart first. And if that doesn't work, connect to a computer and use Finder or iTunes recovery mode to reinstall iOS. This restores functionality while preserving or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.